Welcome to m2Advisor Web New Payment System. It is an improved version of m2Advisor Desktop with better user interface and faster response time. To launch your app, go to mym2.com/m2advisor and log in with your m2Advisor password. Once you're in, navigate to the payments page. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a payment instruction, how to authorize, cancel, and amend an instruction, and how to search for payment to see its current status. First up, to create a payment instruction, go to New and Future View. As the name suggests, this view has two tables. The top table shows all new instructions that have not yet sent for authorization. The bottom table shows future and recurring instructions that had been approved. You can filter to only see payments you have created using the drop-down filter, or search for payment using the search bar here. It will search any text in this table. To create a payment, click on Add New Payment. Next, select a client. You can search by name or ID. Fill in the amount, select the date of the payment, and then the payment method. At this point, if you have changed your mind, you can simply close this payment instruction. Nothing will be saved. After clicking OK to proceed, the instruction will be saved as a new payment, but not yet sent to the authorizer. One important point to note: for recurring and future payment only, after this step, it will be sent to the authorizer immediately. I can exit, and you can see it is saved on the New Future view under New Payments. To continue, I can select the payment and continue where I have left off. To upload a document, simply drag and drop or select to upload. Click OK to proceed, and the instruction will be sent to the authorizer. If I click refresh, the instruction will disappear from the new view and move to the authorized view. At this point, if you realize that you have made a mistake and want to cancel the payment, you can click on Cancel Workflow. For recurring and future dated payments, you can still update the details and resubmit it for authorization. For example, here is a recurring payment that I've created earlier that is waiting to be authorized. I can still change the details and submit it for authorization. Next, I will show you how to authorize a payment instruction. In the Authorize view, you can see three colored-coded payment instructions. Green means you can authorize the payment. No color means you cannot authorize the payment. This is usually a payment you have created, as you cannot authorize your own payment, or that you do not have the privileges to authorize payments. Red is rejected and requires the creator of the instruction to amend or cancel the instruction. Other items to note: payments with date shown as next run are payments that are due today. Dated payments are future or recurring payment instructions. It also has the symbol R next to it. Dated payments with an alert symbol are payments that had expired but not yet authorized. For example, if a payment was created to be paid today but not authorized, the next day, the payment will show an alert symbol with the original date it was meant to be processed. If it is a now payment, you can still authorize the payment and it will be processed today. If it is an once-off specific date payment, it will also be processed today. If it is a recurring payment, it will skip the first payment date that has already passed and continue on the next recurring date. To authorize the payment, select the instruction and click Authorize. You can add a note if you wish. For payment instruction that is set to be paid today, once it is authorized, this instruction will disappear from the authorized view and move to the pending view. For future and recurring payment instruction, once it is authorized, the instruction will disappear from the authorized view and move to the New Future view and displayed on the Future Recurring Payment table. To reject a payment, select the instruction and enter in a note of why you're rejecting the payment and click Reject. Once it is rejected, the instruction will turn red and it will show you who is the creator of the instruction that needs to amend or cancel the payment. If you are a payments creator, you can come into the Authorized view and filter to see if any of your instructions have been rejected that requires your attention. If one of your payments is rejected, you have two options. You can either cancel the entire payment or amend and resubmit for authorization. To cancel a payment, click Cancel and the payment instruction will be removed from the table. To amend and resubmit, go to the input field and amend the payment data, then click Proceed. This will resubmit the instruction for authorization. Next, I will show you how to search for a payment to see where it is at in the payments process. Once a payment is authorized and sent to the payments dispatch department for processing, it will be shown in the pending view. In queue means that the payment is waiting on the payments dispatch department to process the payment with the bank. Sent to bank means that the payment dispatch department has already sent the payment to the bank and is waiting for the withdrawal transaction to appear in the client's bank account the next day. Once the withdrawal transaction is in the client's bank account, the payment will be moved from the pending view to the history view. If you see your payment has been lingering for more than 3 days in the pending view, it is likely the payment has not yet been processed and you will need to follow up with the payments dispatch department. Last of all is the schedule calendar view. This calendar view shows all recurring and future dated payments only. If a client does not have sufficient funds in the bank account for the payment, it will be shown as red. You can click on the date and drill down to identify which payment will not have sufficient funds to be processed. If a client has multiple payments on a date and the sum of those payments are more than the bank balance, it will be shown as yellow. Finally, I want to do a quick recap on how recurring payment works. Recurring payment instruction acts like a rule. Once a rule is approved, it will sit in a new future view. It automatically generates payment instruction based on the rules you have set. For example, if it is a monthly payment, every month it will generate a pre-approved payment instruction that will go straight to the pending view for the payments dispatch department to process. Only the creator of the recurring payment instruction can cancel the original rule by clicking on the Cancel Workflow button. We hope you like our new payment system. Please let us know if you have any questions by contacting us at support@m2wealth.com. Thank you.